What is next? Shall we see if the admin panel is working? Of course it's not working because we did not do anything that will fix this issue. Okay, we want to just do it. So we will fix this now. All right, so to fix this, what we have to do, there is two small changes that we need to take care. One is from the local and another one is from the server itself. Why server itself? Is because Nginx is actually loading from the server, right? So let's go to this just a nano nginx default.conf. Look at this. We have front end, we have back end, and let's just scroll down. Don't go to delete anything. Okay, so if anything breaks, then your website will break. You see this, what's happening here? We are telling our website to serve the static files. Okay, so our website itself is not loading from Django. Our website is actually loading from GUnicorn, right? But GUnicorn cannot load static files, right? So Nginx will run the static files. So that's why instead of this one, right, what we have to do, we have to just remove this, and we will just say alias space static. So now this nginx will serve the static files from your static directory. All right, once this is done, you save it. Okay, control X, then Y, and enter. Done. All right, next what to do, we have to just take care of the volume in this docker compose.yml file. We have the nginx service, right? We have the nginx service. So here you can see there's this volume, right? What you have to do, you have to just say hyphen dot / backend hyphen drf / static. So what we are doing here, see inside this backend drf folder, we have something called static directory, right? Static directory. So we are pointing to this colon / static. This is the way you serve the static files from the nginx. Okay, save this, and then what you have to do, we need to send it to the server, right? So just say git add dot git commit -m static files to be loaded from nginx, git push origin main. All right, next we have made some changes in here, right, in the nginx file, right? So for that we'll say docker compose down. Okay, docker compose down, and we will rebuild it. Perfect. Docker compose up --build -d. All right, so now everything is started. If you want to verify, docker compose ps, and all of them are up. Now if you just reload, it should work. Yes, perfect. So it's working, right?